My name is Vera, and we are from Show-OSANO company. We are manufacturer of Cryolipolysis devices for 4 years. And this is my workmate.
Hi everyone, welcome aboard Show-OSANO online trade show. And I'm Karina from Show-OSANO Beauty. It's our honor to take a chance to introduce our products online. So I hope you can continue following our show, and it's good for you to know our products in details. So let's start get to know how about our machine working and how to operate each machine. Okay.
Yes. So first we will introduce our surrounding cooling machine. It is a 4-handpiece device, and
we want to show the machine.
Yes.
Okay. This device is quite popular and effective in Europe and different countries. And maybe you can see this machine from different websites, because we got so many dealers in different countries, and this why you can see this machine so often. And it's just like maybe you may feel it's work in like different ways. Okay.
Okay. So this machine, 4 hand pieces working together, and there are 3 different sizes for the cooling cup, and each cup have 3 different size contours for interchangeable. So you can see contour. This is a small size handpiece, one of the contour, and this contour is a core contour, special use for belly area, and small size for small size lady.
Okay, this is the second curve, and this is the smallest, as you can see, because the fat show on different people is different, so it can base on the treatment condition to choose a different curve. So for the treatment, it's quite popular. It's quite comfortable, and it's feeling so good.
Yes, yes. And
okay.
So we put it back. And this one is medium size. It's medium size. You hold this small size, and you will see the difference. You will see the difference. So generally, this one small size for small size lady arms, and this one medium size for most of medium size ladies and men, for belly, for arms, for necks, and for thighs.
This medium size?
Yes, this is medium size. Same medium size, and you can see the medium size with different contours. This is the largest contour, and this contour is a special use for love handle. Yes.
Maybe it's not so easy for camera to see because it's getting frozen.
Yes.
As you can see, the handle is totally in metal, so the whole handle can make the treatment on skin directly. Is popular and quite effective than the normal plastic cryolipolysis. And okay. Actually, I want to introduce one more. One is about our treatment system. The camera can become closer. So because I want to show you the screen.
Show this large handle.
This is the large handle. Because I just forgot to show you before, and it's quite big for the. I can see the difference. Okay.
Yes. So this 3 size of hand pieces, as you know, this machine we're equipped with 4 hand pieces, so you can choose your ideal size. If you have any requirements, special requirements, you can choose 2 large and 2 small, 2 large or 2 medium. So
maybe I can take up this.
Yes. take it colder.
Yeah. Oh.
你移动这个都行。
等下啊，这个 May I make it?
Amy,
sorry.
Amy.
Okay, it's okay now. And I come closer to the screen. Oh. It's okay. It's okay.
As you can see, this is the display, and yes, this is the tool icon. You touch the tool icon, and you can choose the cooling page and hot and cooling page. The hot and cooling page is our unique, and it is special special made for anti-freezing, anti-frostbite. Because during the cooling procedure, sometimes your surface of skin will be frozen. So we need a hot and cooling procedure to warm your surface of skin during the treatment. So you can see there is a procedure like hot, cold, cold, hot, like this. Okay. And there are 4 hand pieces, so you can set your parameter according to your patient's requirements.
And now we come to the normal treatment system. It's actually, it just show you the same before, but it's just for the cooling. So when you're setting down the temperature and the pressure, then you can start to work the head machine. Okay. From the screen, maybe you can see there different language for option now. So it's easy for us to customize the screen. We can put your logo into our machine, so it looks more professional. Okay. This is how it works. Okay, now we come to setting the camera. You can see the whole view. Okay. Okay.
So you can see this is our double chin handpiece, which is also surrounding cooling, 360-degree surrounding cooling. And you will see this silicone area. It is our handpiece field. This is also, you can exchangeable, and you can clean after every treatment. So in case of any block issue in tube.
We start matching.
Every handpiece has a field inside. Every handpiece has a field inside. And this area, it is a sensor, temperature sensor. This sensor will monitor the temperature on your surface of skin during treatment. So this handpiece is very safe, this device.
Okay, wait a sec, because I want to take a tour to show you how to change the filter cotton, because some customers asking us how to change the filter on handle. So I will show you later. And actually for now, it's and about the color, it also can be changed. So if you want to customize your machine, it's totally okay and easy for us to make it more professional for your machine. Okay. So now I'm going to show you. Okay. So wait a second. I'm waiting the tool to show you how to change the filter. Here.
Okay. You just use this. We will give you 1 or 2 every shipment.
And remove this. It's okay.
Yeah, so this
part is for protect the handle. Okay.
This part. Yes. This part. So we will also give you this part. Several of this part. So you can change it if it is broken or very dirty.
Okay.
And now we will. So this is a brief of this simple introduction of this device, and we will also have another one, and with a deeper cup and a larger area, cooling area. So I will show you the other one.
Okay.
The other one is also 4 handpieces working together. 4 handpieces working together. As you can see, the cup is more deep, and more large. This is the medium size of the large one of this machine. 推进来一点.
Okay, we come closer to the machine. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Wait a sec. Okay. Show the difference. Okay.
So you can see 4 handpieces as well, okay. And these 4 handpieces can also working together in the same treatment. So you can see the difference. They have different contours, but the contours is fixed. So this machine, the big difference with the blue one is the handpiece. We have only one size and only one contours. And the blue one, you will have 3 contours for each handpiece.
And one more point I want to clarify, because as you can see, the handle is different. I just show you, introduce the different handles in shape. Maybe you can see from both. The treatment inside for a handle is different. The blue one is not so deep. So during treatment, it's quite comfortable. But for this metal handle, as you can see, this handle dip is quite deep. Our whole finger is not long enough. So during treatment, the patient maybe feel it's quite, the suction is quite strong, because some customer tell us they want the machine with very big vacuum. They want to feel the suction during treatment is quite strong, so we maybe make it different. Okay. So this why the the suction is quite powerful and strong. So for a treatment, the patient can feel the different suction. Temperature. For normal cryolipolysis, the temperature maybe can just show you increment for -10 or -8, but our temperature can proceed to 0.1. As you can see, it's working for a temperature is minor 9.9, so it's quite proceed. It's good for safety for treatment. Avoid the frostbiting. Now we come to show you how to make the treatment. Okay. So we will make because we have introduced that these 2 machines have a big size, have a big difference on each treatment size.
So we will make a treatment, a real-time treatment to show you that how is the difference between these two treated cup after treatment. You will see the redness area. Okay, so let's start treatment.
And okay, we are preparing for make the treatment about the blue machine. Okay. We're setting the device. Yeah. 跟我吧 ，Is it okay？ 推到那边去，然后这个放这儿。Okay, we setting the machine for the treatment ways. Okay. Okay. 好。这个还是这个？就是用这个，就这个啊。可以开始吧，介绍。
Okay. As we will treat her side. This is her side. So we will choose first. We need to choose the ideal handpiece. And she is a small size, a medium size lady. So we can use a medium size handpiece. And this contour is for side. This contour is for side. So we will use this contour. For this large handpiece machine, we will use this handpiece. You can see it is also flight. So this flight handpiece we will use ideal for the side treatment. Okay. So first we need to put anti-freezing membrane on her side.
Okay. Okay, now we need to precise.
你出镜头了。你要进来。
For now, during the treatment, I want to explain how to care about the treatment, because normally for the normal cryolipolysis, the treatment handle only with 2 trillium per tier, but for our handle, as we introduced before, it's in metal. So for a treatment, we recommend not over 30 minutes, and the temperature is not just many customers saying they need the temperature for -10 or -15. As we know, the facial will be dead or in the sleeping stage when the temperature lower to 0 degrees. So we recommend the temperature for -1 or -2 is enough for treatment. It's quite safety for the patients during the treatment. So we are not recommend the temperature for -10 or -8. We recommend -1 or 2 is enough. And about how to see handle and place the treatment handle, I will show you for now. It's setting the,
so we start to set the parameter during treatment about this lady.
Okay.
Yes. Generally, the treatment time we set 35 minutes because it is a surrounding cooling system. And the pressure, we start from level 1, total level 1 to level 5, but we choose level 1 at the beginning. And if patients feel comfortable, we can increase the vacuum pressure. And regarding the temperature, because her fat tissue is not that thick, so we suggest to use -2, maybe -2.
No, it's working. The working handle is so easy from one. Okay. -10. Oh, -10. No. Okay, we set to -2.
好了
，OK，
你接上那台，去设置那台，这台已经设置好了。
我设置这台软。
对。
OK。
转一下。
Level 1 and temperature for -2。
对，你要在镜头前面设，然后讲解一下。
Okay, we're setting the second machine about treatment parameter. Temperature 1 and -1, pressure 1. Okay. This one, temperature 1, 2. Okay, it's done. So I now to operate the handle. This one. Okay. I am placing the handle on the treatment skin. This one. As you can see, it's working on. Okay. This height is adjustable, so when you found the hole is not long enough, you can remove this pipe from the machine. Then it can be from different distance. Okay. Work like this.
放那条腿，放里面那条腿。
It starts suction. After few seconds, we don't need to handle. Okay. It's suction, and no need to hold the handle because the suction is quite strong, so it can work on the skin directly. This from the handle from this blue machine. For now, we're showing the different handle from the second machine.
Use this handpiece, treat another side. Start on display.
Which one? A. Okay, it's working. Okay, it started. Okay, now we're selecting the both handle in 7 parameters. So after finish the treatment, you can see how it works in different treatment area. You can see the difference. And about the treatment, during the treatment, the patient, it can be relaxed. They can listen to music or just online surfing. So it's not so many different requirements for clinician to not to focus on how to handle your personal things. Okay. So each both handle is make the treatment for now, and after 35 minutes, the whole treatment will be finished, and you can see.
我不知道是哪一个，我关掉它。
Now we actually want to show you during the treatment, and so you can see the camera is not very
okay. So you can see the display on the handpiece, and you can also set parameters during the small display on the handpiece. On each handpiece, you can set treatment time, vacuum suction, and the temperature as well. So how do you feel now? It's comfortable. So I want to adjust the vacuum suction. Okay, now it's level 1, and I will set level 2. Okay.
Level 2. We increase the suction in level 2 for now. Okay. So just work like this, because for the beginning of the treatment, do not set the suction so strong, because the personal body for each person is different. Some people can bear a strong vacuum, but somebody just can bear maybe only one. So if you set the suction quite strong at the beginning, the people can feel very hurt. It's not good for the treatment. So from 1, and when you feel it's okay, then you can increase the suction. And maybe okay, sure, 可以展示这个点。
Yes.
Because during treatment there is no different camera view for your friend, so I want to show you about our whole sample room for now.
Other devices.
And you can see that actually there's so many different devices for you. You can take a look.
七头。
I'll show you different ways. This is our number 3 Cryolipolysis machine. 是这个，好吧 ？Okay，
系统啊，也可以。他说的也可以。
It's for the
也可以，也可以。
the other one.
也可以，等一下。
Okay, wait a second.
可以，真的。
对。OK。
可能会吸到你肚脐耶。吸到你肚脐可不可以呀
？It's okay for the machine?
不行，看到了。
It can be. Okay. Yeah, this is the different Cryolipolysis. Actually, this new device we just developed in 2020, and first we need to show you the handpiece. Okay.
This is our new machine, and it is also surrounding cooling system, and the handpiece covered with silicone. And this handpiece is a non-vacuum handpiece, especially for your arm treatment. This is non-vacuum, and this one is non-vacuum as well. This one is for side, large area, for side. Both of them are interchangeable, and this interchangeable is not changing the port. The port is changing the cup. Only need to change the cup, treated cup. Okay, so
This is the smallest one for the double chin. Okay. Actually, there are 7 different handpieces for interchangeable. Yes.
So we got two type of double chin handpiece. One is like this, and the other one is flight. So you can see the different size and different contour. 好，给他演示一下那个
screen，
不是，来演示一下那个罐头的。
And the rest 2 handpieces. As you can see, these 2 handpieces with vacuum, and also they use the same hole for interchangeable. This. And this is connected. How show you how to change. Actually, this handle, because the material is in metal, so it's a bit quite heavy for a girl. Actually, so it's not so easy for us to change because it's too heavy. We need to make sure the handpiece is in good quality, so we made each handle in quite good material. You can see it's in metal, and this small screw is not just from a normal Chinese, or some material from Germany or in Japan, so the quality is guaranteed.
Okay, so
so when we change the handpiece, just connecting like this is okay.
So like this,
put together and screw this. There, it's okay.
好的，太小。So my workmates just introduced the handpieces in different sizes and shapes. So we will also make a treatment by this type of handpiece on the patient, and we will have a comparison about the treatment size and treatment performance. So you can see the display. You can see the display. The different cups will be shown on the plate, will be shown on the display, and you can choose your ideal cups for the treatment. And this time for this lady, we will treat her belly, her stomach. So we will need a large vacuum cryolipolysis handpieces, because the long vacuum handpiece is also good, but we will do the treatment in another patient for side treatment. Okay, so this time we use this large handle, large one. Yes, this large one.
Restore treatment.
The treatment time and the vacuum level and temperature, it is similar as the other two machines. But just because the fat tissue is a little thicker than the side treatment, so we will use a lower temperature. It's about -3 to -5, depending on patient's feeling. If the patients feel comfortable, feel good, we will use -5. Okay, so we start to do.
Oh, one more point, we just forget to say different, because this handle also in metal, but for outside there is a silicone. Okay. 先只用吧。
等一下，做的时候我们再讲，不然没东西讲。做的时候我们再讲别的头。
Okay. So for now we are preparing for the treatment of this new handle. First, we need to place the membrane. Okay.
So put touch the handpiece? Yes. Okay. What's it? We setting the parameter. Treatment time. Is it working? Yes. It's working. So from the pressure is from level 1 and temperature. Minus 2. 1 吗？ 关了吗？关了。好，关机，关机。Okay. The handpiece is too big, maybe. 介绍那些别的头那硅胶，介绍硅胶。Okay. 啊，镜头移一下，镜头移一下，镜头移。Here. Sorry. And about the handpiece, I just showed you before about this silicone. There's some client asking us because as you can see, we change the different handle to metal, totally in metal. Some dealer telling us there are some machine from different supplier. They can burn the skin very easy. So, according for different requirements, we may make the handle in metal, but also it's covered by the silicone. So it's quite softy. Maybe you can see it's softy outside here. So this one is good for the customer who looking for the cryolipolysis with silicone handpieces. Okay. So we choose in the different handpieces. Yeah, I take off normal handpieces from the plastic. So, this machine has 7 different cups. It is interchangeable. So our standard machine will give you 5 different cups, and you need to order if you want. You need to order extra cups if you need total 7 different cups. We suggest you order or you choose two same size like this, because most of the treatments we will do the treatment simultaneously with 2 areas. For example, 2 arms, and some large size men, they can treat 2 handpieces on his belly. So we need 2 same size together to treat together in order to reduce same amount of fat. Okay, this handpiece is about the normal cryolipolysis handle. We can call it is classical cryolipolysis handle. As you can see, there's only 2 cooling put here. So about this normal cryolipolysis handpieces, for each treatment we need 1 hour to finish each procedure. And so if you're looking for this kind of cryolipolysis, we also welcome contact us. This is normal. For this one is emergent button. During the treatment, if you found it's not so comfortable, so press this button, it will stop to work, and it can, when you press again, it can continue for a treatment. This is small size for the classical cryolipolysis handpieces. Okay. Today we introduce our device just for the cryolipolysis.
Actually, if you we want to show you our website later, because as you can see, we have so many different devices for optional. And today we are just introduce our one of our main products, Cryolipolysis. As you can see, different maybe our website, the different machine for vacuum evaporation. Shaping is fossilized, but we will introduce this machine from our next online show. For now, today we just want to introduce more details about our cryolipolysis machine. Actually, if you have any question or you want to know more about different details, you can text me online. We will reply your question very clearly. Okay. So I want to check if there are any question.
Yes.
Now is no, not yet. Please welcome contact us if you have any question. You can text me online and we will reply you by very detailed information. Okay.
Okay. We can see. Okay. You can see.
No, not yet.
3 hand pieces on her body.
Okay.
And from 3 different machines. From 3 different machines. You see? Okay.
I'll check how the temperature. Okay, it's 30 minutes. We will finish the first treatment. After that, we will show you after treatment. You can see the treatment skill area. Okay. Now. Okay. We want to introduce one more our cryolipolysis machine. We have setting the device. Wait a second. Okay.
And so the 3 machines are vacuum cryolipolysis device. And now I want to introduce our multifunctional device, which combines with non-vacuum cryolipolysis together with shock wave and radio frequency and cavitation. As you can see, okay, as you can see there, okay, as you can see the handpiece. So this is shock wave. This shock wave is air compressor shock wave. We will also have a shock wave function single function device. And shock wave it's 21 hertz frequency and 185 joule energy. And this handpiece, this is non-vacuum handpiece built in with electroporation. Electroporation, we also called EMS. EMS can help the cooling energy penetration even more eventually, and help your skin firming and muscle rebuilding, muscle stimulation. Yes. This machine has 4 pedals for non-vacuum cryolipolysis handpiece. So these 4 handpieces can working together. You can choose 2, 3, or any or 4 handpieces during the same session to do the treatment on the same patient. For this is radio frequency and vacuum handpiece. This handpiece it is exchangeable as well. So this handpiece has 3 sizes. This one for arm, this one for body, and this one for face and neck. Sometimes for eye. And they are interchangeable, so you can choose the ideal one during your treatment. Generally, some patients will prefer use this cavitation handpiece more than the traditional handpiece, cavitation handpiece, because traditional cavitation handpiece, they have only 1 transducer, and this one has 4. And these 4 transducers will be working together. Each transducer has 50 watts energy. So total 200 watts energy for the handpiece, for this handpiece.
Okay, and also I also want to explain one more point. It's quite important. It's, as you can see, there is 2 different points here. I will show you. Okay, see 1, 2. This 2 is temperature sensor system. It's quite important design because during the treatment, if the temperature reach -5 or -10, if you reach the temperature setting, and if there's any water system problem during treatment, the temperature will be continued to download. But with this temperature sensor system, when the system reach your setting temperature, and it's not good for the skin, and it will send the message for the whole machine. It can stop the machine, or it can have alert. So it's quite safety for treatment. So these 2 temperature sensor system is quite important and very functional. This one.
So this is a very brilliant machine, and this machine can not only provide shockwave treatment, cryolipolysis treatment, cavitation treatment, and radio frequency vacuum treatment. And it also combines those treatments together in 1 session to get a better results and faster results. As we all know, for the cryolipolysis treatment, you have to take about 1 month to 3 months to see the visible and the final results. But with shockwave combination, you will get even faster results at just 15 days after treatment. So after my colleague, my workmate, after her treatment, we will use shockwave on her size and to give her better results. Okay. So let's see more about it.
可以介绍就是组合治疗。说
Okay. More about display. You will see. You can see the display. You can see the icon, different icon, cavitation, shockwave, and cryolipolysis pedals. And this is radio frequency vacuum. So you can touch each icon into each treatment. This is cavitation ultrasound, and you can set treatment time, cavitation energy, and there is working mode. It is pulse and continuous mode for cavitation handpiece. So we can hear different sounds during different working mode. So let's set the highest energy level 10, and we will set. Let's start. So you can see
Maybe I can show put some water.
So yes,
Okay.
we show some water, and you will see the vibration and bubbles on water. See, you can see the sounds. It's very the noise. And different noise.
Maybe I put some water.
Different noise.
And about the price, we will send you after our online show, okay? Because for now it's not easy for us to tell you the price because also we need to calculate the shipping cost.
Yes. Let's see. My workmate will send you their price and details and brochures. Please leave your contact information, okay? And tell us which machine you want to order, okay?
Okay. Yes. I will choose different work mode. This is for first one.
This is continuous and this is pause. You see?
Okay.
Different sounds.
The third one. Okay. Okay, the last one. The frequency treatment mode is different. You can hear the voice. Okay.
So it's very powerful, and you can see four transducers working together. And regarding the continuous mode, generally, if you, for example, if you set the power at level 5, and your customer just feel it is not that stronger, you can use pause mode. You can use the pause mode. Okay. So let's pause. Awesome. Don't cut. Now we can test the pedal.
What?
Different with the first two machines.
About the difference between each machine, we will make you a sheet. With all details, we will send you by email or WhatsApp. So I hope you can send information.
Okay. The difference with the first two machines, I think you mentioned the blue one and the black one. Both of them are vacuum cryolipolysis device. The big difference of these two machines is the treatment area, the treatment size. Because the black machine has a large treated cup and deeper treated cup. So the black machine will make a large treated area and treated more tissue and of course more effective and better results.
I'm checking the treatment time. It will be finished after 10 minutes.
Okay. So now we can test our pedal. This pedal, as I just introduced, it is built-in with EMS. And this is positive and this is negative. So during treatment, you need touch totally, not touch like this or touch like this. Okay. And make sure your treated skin, have to touch these two sensors together, unless it is easy to be burned by frostbite. Okay. As we all know, EMS, to help EMS make a good conductivity, we need to keep our skin wet. First. Okay. Can you see there? Okay. Can you see the display? This is time, this is EMS energy, and this is temperature. total 4 hand pieces working together. So A, B, C, D. You can start and pose according to your requirements. Okay. So generally, paddles, we also suggest our clients do 30 minutes or 35 minutes or 40 minutes because with EMS energy penetration, cooling will be more eventually and more stronger. So no need a longer treatment time as a traditional cryolipolysis machine, such as 60 minutes or 70 minutes like this. So these paddles, we suggest you can use 30 to 40 minutes. It is quite enough. After this paddles treatment, immediately use shockwave. So EMS level, the highest level is 60, and we suggest our clients to do at least 20 to give a better penetration and a better muscle stimulation.
Okay. Very second, because this handle, the treatment time is finished, so it's not working. As you can see from the camera, it just stopped working. So for this design, also can protect the patients.
So let's see the
treatment area. You can see how it works after the treatment. Okay, go back to the machine. And
see the redness area.
要不要展示这个
redness area?
不用吧 ？OK.
This is by this cup, the treatment. So you can see the redness area. This cup, still 3 minutes. As I said just now, after cryolipolysis treatment, we need to do shockwave immediately. So now I will make a shockwave treatment on this area.
Okay, we handle it in a second. Okay. And also one more point, because after finish the cryolipolysis, it's better to make a little massage on the treatment skill. It's easy. Now we handle the shockwave directly.
So my workmates said you need a massage on the treated area. It is correct. After every cryolipolysis treatment, if without shockwave, you need to use your hand to make a massage like this. But with shockwave, no need to do massage. You can massage by shockwave. So first I will show you how to make the parameter during the shockwave treatment.
Okay.
So you can see, first I will show you how to make the parameter during a shockwave treatment. At first, you need to set the shocks. Generally, for according to the different size of the area, we suggest the shocks at about 3,000 to 7,000. For whole body, it's about 7,000. And for just, you can see a small cryo-treated area, 3,000 is quite enough. Regarding the frequency, I suggest 17, and the maximum is 21. It's 21. And regarding the energy, because it is air compressor shockwave energy is the largest. The maximum energy is 6 bar. We will start from 2. And if patients feel just comfortable, we will increase the energy.
Oh, we are happy that we can see there's so many different questions online.